Rio Ro Mo is a rare opportunity to acquire a large, contiguous ranch that has been owned by the same family for 3 generations. Located in northwestern Colorado and less than an hour and a half from historic Steamboat Springs, Rio Ro Mo spans across 29 square miles, a landmass larger than Manhattan Island. The ranch consists of rolling hills and canyons covered in native grasses, sagebrush, and juniper trees, with Lay Creek meandering through a large section of the property. The ranch consists of 18,650 deeded acres, with an additional 3,500 acres in BLM leases and one 300-acre private lease. The owners of Rio Ro Mo have been excellent stewards of the land. It has the capability to run 1,000 head of yearling cattle during the grazing season, with an impressive average daily rate gain of 2¼ pounds. The property is well equipped, boasting 10 fully fenced pastures and 2 sets of working corrals, along with 2 extensive pipeline watering systems that run to multiple large tire water tanks. Additional water is provided by springs, snowmelt, and wells with electric submersible pumps, some of which are solar-powered. In addition to the tremendous livestock watering system, the ranch includes 3 irrigation pivots that provide quality hay for the livestock and great winter grazing for the wildlife. Due to its vast size, Rio Ro Mo is eligible for Colorado Parks and Wildlife's Ranching for Wildlife program. The ranch is situated in GMUs 3 and 30 and runs a very well-managed hunting operation during the fall and winter months, with mostly returning clients. With the size of the ranch, it qualifies for 30 mule deer and 30 pronghorn private landowner voucher applications annually. Resident mule deer and pronghorn graze the ranch year-round, while thousands of elk utilize the ranch during the spring and winter migrations and can be seen sporadically throughout the year. Mountain lions, bobcats, dove, sage grouse, geese, duck, golden, and bald eagles all call the property home. The ranch may have one of the largest greater sage grouse leks in the state of Colorado. Undoubtedly, Rio Ro Mo is an ecosystem of its own. Rio Ro Mo boasts a modern 2,700 square foot fully furnished home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, along with a 4,500 square foot fully insulated shop and a 4,000 square foot equipment storage shed. Easy access to Rio Ro Mo is provided by US Highway 40 and a well-maintained county road. Yampa Valley Regional Airport near Hayden, Colorado, with commercial air service, is approximately 1 hour from the ranch, and Denver is located 4½ hours southeast of the ranch, while Salt Lake City, Utah is 4 hours west of the ranch. If you would like to schedule a personal showing of Rio Ro Mo, please contact Rick Kusel at 970-554-1762.